Welcome to Residence 3 at 52 Park Avenue. This exceptional home epitomizes sophisticated city life, boasting a plethora of exquisite features and unparalleled views of Park Avenue, cherry blossoms, and the iconic Chrysler Building. As you step off one of the two keyed elevators and into the spacious foyer, you're greeted by the convenience of a washer-dryer and an immense amount of storage, with several closets thoughtfully placed throughout the home. Hardwood floors flow into the bright living dining area, adorned with built-in shelving framing a decorative fireplace and a wine fridge, perfect for showcasing your collection. Floor-to-ceiling windows with automatic shades overlook picturesque views of Park Avenue, while exposed brick adds a touch of character to the space. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's delight, featuring stone countertops, a copper farmhouse sink, top-of-the-line Wolf range with a pot filler, Sub-Zero panel front refrigerator, Bosch dishwasher, wine cooler, and a warming drawer. The full guest bathroom boasts a glass-enclosed soaking tub, unique penny tile flooring, and modern fixtures, creating a spa-like retreat for guests and residents alike. Retreat to the primary suite located in the rear of the home, where extensive built-in storage and a large walk-in closet await. The ensuite primary bathroom is adorned with a luxurious marble tile and features a glass-enclosed shower for ultimate relaxation. The guest bedroom boasts additional built-in storage and an oversized bay window with a window seat, offering the perfect spot for relaxation. Enjoy luxury living at its finest with the building's full-time doorman and white glove service, ensuring every need is met with ease. Unwind and take in the breathtaking views from the common roof deck, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Outside your doorstep, Murray Hill buzzes with its vibrant energy and abundant attractions. Explore nearby Grand Central Terminal, the Morgan Library and Museum, and the Empire State Building, or indulge in world-class dining and shopping along nearby Fifth Avenue. With easy access to transportation options at Grand Central Station, the possibilities are endless in this beautiful neighborhood and beyond.